So tomorrow is the Soweto Derby between Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. This is one of the best fixtures. This is one of the best fixtures kwisizini between Premiership. One of the biggest derbies akhona la eAfrica. Into engiyithanda ngale game le awekho ama favorites. Makuzodlalwa iSoweto Derby ayikho i-team ongayibeka as ama favorites. Yebo, mwase ubheke nje iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs inama wins amaningi kuOrlando Pirates. Yebo, yizi iKaizer Chiefs in the last 10 years ibingenzi kahle. But iOrlando Pirates ishawa iKaizer Chiefs. Mase sibheke the last 3 Soweto derbies. The last 3 Soweto derbies Orlando Pirates yawina umathathu. Yebo, yawina idlala against iKaizer Chiefs Nedbank Cup. Kuze bewina ngo-2-1 igoli lashawa umthetho. Bawina futhi last season bedlala le bewina ngo-1-0 igoli la Roma Hope. Yebo, baphinde bayiwina futhi i-second fixture beze beshaya iKaizer Chiefs ngo-3-2. Mwase wabheke lama games lawa. Lama games lawa close kakhulu. Yize iKaizer Chiefs ingasiyona i-team engaba i-threat ngaleyo ndlela kuOrlando Pirates, but iKaizer Chiefs when it comes to iSoweto Derby they take that game serious because they know it's the culture of the game. This game is very, very, very unpredictable. Anything can happen with Derby. Yabo kuSoweto Derby. Inkinga yami la Orlando Pirates most of the times when we go to iSoweto Derby si confident uthi soyiwina, sihlale sizojumpiswa, sihlale nje so iKaizer Chiefs ijwayele ukubukisa ngathi mesifika with derby sinomfutho yabo sinaleyo pride leyo singekho humble. I feel like as fans yabo singabi over excited about this game claiming ukuthi sofia kwi game siwin. Yes, it might happen because we have the quality, we have the players that can win us games, but if you can check the fixture is very complicated. It is very complicated. I like the graphics abawenzile la ya Mfokengi benonkota noZwane Shabalala yabona umfana uVilakazi noSesana yabo babiza ngamaSoweto Derby graduates. I was watching the other game bevesa ama highlights yabo eDStv Disc Challenge kudlala abafana abancane kuleyo game kwakora uRatomo kwakora lo mfana lo uNdlozi kwakora no bani fana wePirates lo munye inkota lo njejwana imbona yabo. So leSoweto Derby edlalo right now iSoweto Derby vele eyayiqale le ku DStv Disc Challenge. Abafana laba sebejwayelene indlela yokudlala yabo. Ngiyathanda ukubona izinto ezikanje iqhubeka, abafana abancane baqhubeka neculture yeSoweto Derby yabo, bayiqala le ezintweni ezincane. So le derby lo izobe ihlukile. Le derby le kuzobe kune mixture yabadlali abasha nabadlali abadala. And abadlali abasha ibona abashisa ngempela. Mwase ubheka uKaizer Chiefs ukhona uVilakazi yabo, Vilakazi uyashisa umjida ngazi indaba ehleze eqala ebenchini. Kukhona uMduduzi Shabalala, kukhona nanoZwane omunye umdlali futhi oqala ebenchini uZwane. Zwane is one of the best players abakhona uKaizer Chiefs according to my opinion. Kaizer Chiefs ayimsebenzisi kakhulu yamfana lwa. That boy is very, very, very skillful. Uze kuOrlando Pirates nabo Nkota siyamazi sonke bafethu Nkota uyadlala umjito usathanda ukupromote i-team. Umfukeng angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngaye yabo, and uSesane the firefighter. You see these players have the quality ukuthi benze igame imnandi yabo. Igame yakusasa, I'm telling you, igame yakusasa Orlando Pirates me approach le game angimeli itatazela, mele approach le game le ngokurelaxa sijwayele ukwadlala ama fixtures amakhulu, and le fixture le iyayifanela njengamanye ama fixture. Singayi kule game le sithi hayi iKaizer Chiefs vele soyishaya, cha asidlale le game esifinal yabo. Idlalo nje le game esifinal iKaizer Chiefs vele inawo amamenzi okushaya, ino confidence right now iphuma kule game basathanda kuyiwina against ama free agents yabo. So ukuthatha kancane team ekanjalo kokakunikeza induku yabo. Oyibukayo le video le okhona lapho ku management atshela abafana le game yakusasa ithathwe serious, kuqhutshekwe ne winning streak yeSoweto Derby yabo. Orlando Pirates kumele iqhubeke baze balingane ngama wins eSoweto Derby mhlawumbe sesibadlula yabo, because kule sijaha enye team yabo. Le team ephambili iMamelodi Sundowns lesijaha kumele senze show siyalingana ama points, because mesadliwa kule game le ngeke saphinde sifice actually iMamelodi Sundowns, because in the next fixture isodlala Orlando Pirates sodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Mele se no yeah, so that against Isikhukhune mase kubi Sundowns if I'm not mistaken. Ngwang correct lapha ama comments yabo. So kumele senze sure le game lesithatha serious, sawuthola 3 points manje sadlulela kwenye game, yabo. Angazi ngempela ungangitshela lapha kuma comments wena i-score prediction sakho. Ungangitshela i-score prediction sakho. Mina my score prediction, I would predict ukuthi abafana ezimnyama will walk away with let me say 3-1 or 2-0. 3-1 or 2-0. Ungangitshela wena ama comments ukuthi isiphi score i-Kaizer Chiefs mhlambe engawina ngaso, or isiphi score i-Orlando Pirates engawina ngaso, yabo. Uvane Sports lo bafethu, ngiyabonga isupport eninginika yona.